So we have here our practice problem number 2. So determine the safe load P that the member below can carry using AST and LRFT. Column is W10 by 88 and A50 steel is used. The column has an intermediate brace in the weak direction as shown. Okay. So sabi dito, determine the safe load P. So this is your P. Okay. So ang ginamit na W or wide flange section is W10 by 88. Okay. Now, and of course, A50 steel ang ginamit. So sabi, the column has an intermediate brace in the weak direction. So itong parang arrow na to, this one, serve as your intermediate brace. Okay? So kung titingnan natin yung 3D, in a 3D form niya. Okay, so you have here your wide flange, o yung W10 by 88 mo. And itong color green na to is your intermediate brace. Okay? So, we have here your y-axis and x-axis. Okay? So, our step 1, okay? So, step 1 will be to determine the critical slenderness ratio. Okay? So, yung K. Now, for this type of structure, we will have 3 cases. Okay? So, first, let's have a buckling along x-axis. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin yung buckling along x-axis, meron kang loading or meron kang, let's say, moment, okay? Where you have the bending or buckling along x-axis. So, if you want to visualize it, you just have to use your right hand. So, let's use the right hand rule, okay? So, you have here your right hand and you align your thumb to the x-axis and you rotate your hand, okay? So, ganun yung magiging movement niya. Okay, so, drawing natin dito. So, let's have here x-axis. So, halimbawa, pinabuckle natin siya along x-axis. So, yung x-axis mo, movement ka pa ganyan. So, ibig sabihin, pag nirotate mo o nagbuckle yung wide flange column mo along x-axis, ang magiging deformation niya ay pa ganito. So, kung nag-rotate or nag-buckle along x-axis, your deformation will be like this. Okay? So, magbibend siya ng paganyan. So, drawing natin dito. So, kung meron kang column like that, and ito yung support mo sa top, which is a roller. Okay? So, lagyan lang natin ng axis. So, this is this serve as your y-axis, okay? So, yung deformation mo along x-axis will be this one. Okay? Magiging ganyan yung buckling niya. Or isin natin. because you have here a roller and you have a fixed on the bottom, so magiging pa ganyan. Okay? So, ganyan yung deformation natin sa buckling along x-axis. So, this is your case number 1. Okay. So, mapapansin nyo, the bottom is fixed, diba? And the top is simply supported. To be specific, that is a roller support. Okay? So, therefore, based dun sa table natin, your K will be, or K sub S will be 0.8. Okay? As per the table. Now, the slenderness ratio niya, sorry. This is supposed to be your K over R. Okay. Now, your slenderness ratio is so you have your 0.8 for the K times 7,000 because your length for the whole column is 7, so 4 plus T, so you have 7,000 over the radius, which is 115. Okay, I forgot to write the properties of the W 10 by 88. Again, for W 10 by 88, you have your A equals to 6,800 millimeter. Your RX is 115 millimeter, and your RY is your 66.8. So because our case 1 is buckling along X, so we will use the radius of gyration along X, so that is 115. Okay, so you have here 0.8 times 7,000 over 115. You will have your 48.696. Okay.